Setting up your UniFi Dream Router begins with unboxing the device and preparing for installation. The UDR is an all-in-one networking solution that combines router, firewall, and network controller functionality. First, connect your UniFi Dream Router to a power source using the included power adapter. The device will boot up and display status information on its built-in LCD screen. Next, use an Ethernet cable to connect the UDR to your internet modem. Connect the cable to the WAN port on the Dream Router, which is typically labeled and may be a different color from the LAN ports. Download the UniFi Network mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices and serves as your primary interface for configuring and managing the Dream Router. Open the UniFi Network app and follow the on-screen instructions to discover and adopt your new Dream Router. The app will automatically scan for nearby UniFi devices and guide you through the adoption process. If you don't already have a Ubiquiti account, you'll need to create one during the setup process. This account allows you to manage your network remotely and access advanced features of the UniFi ecosystem. Finally, configure your basic network settings, including your Wi-Fi network name, also known as SSID, and password. The UniFi Network Controller built into the Dream Router will guide you through these settings with an intuitive interface. With your UniFi Dream Router set up, you can now access the powerful UniFi Network Controller through two convenient methods: the mobile app or a web browser interface. The UniFi Network dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your network's health and performance. You can monitor network traffic, connected devices, throughput, and identify any issues at a glance. VLANs allow you to segment your network for different purposes. You can create separate networks for guests, IoT devices, and critical business systems, improving both security and performance. The UniFi Dream Router includes comprehensive security features, including intrusion detection and prevention systems, firewall rules, and content filtering to protect your network from threats. The Dream Router excels at centralized management of other UniFi devices. You can integrate access points, switches, and cameras into a single unified network management system. For security cameras, the Dream Router integrates with UniFi Protect for local video storage. The UDR7 can support up to 5 HD cameras, 2 2K cameras, or 1 4K camera with local recording capabilities. Quality of service features allow you to prioritize network traffic for critical applications. You can ensure that important services like video calls or business applications get the bandwidth they need, while less critical traffic is managed accordingly. With these advanced configuration options, your UniFi Dream Router becomes a powerful network management hub, providing enterprise-grade features in a compact, user-friendly package for your home or small business network.